What's going on, guys? Right then. So stop loss at 30. First TP is at 55. I want to go for the 80 mark really, but the first TP is going to be 55. Second TP is 5080. Just place them trades now. Sorry guys, be with you in a minute. I'm just going to place these trades, these limits. It's giving us nearly a 1 to 3, nearly 1 to 2 for definite, I would have thought. Come on, gold. Give us a nice big long here on US Open. Be nice. if it breaks this now, it's probably just gonna go and miss our entry. But I would have thought it's gonna want to take these orders from this fair value gap first before it goes. That's my thought process behind that. Yeah, see, we're still in this range, so top of that range. 1 hour looks decent if it closes here. So then that's probably the next hour is probably going to tag us in to come halfway on that 1 hour. That's what my thought process is. But we'll see what happens. We might not get tagged in. We'll have to look for another trade, but we'll see what happens. All right, mate. How are you going? How are you going? Yeah, just waiting for this trade to hit. It will be a good trade. What? To be fair, I was gonna put a trade on here. I was gonna, but my stop loss was all the way down here. It was too big of a stop loss. I was targeting 55, so we would have just hit it straight away as well if I would have put it on. But I didn't just because it was too risky. I was waiting for a bit of a more of a confirmation, really. So, but now we've got this one, so we've got another opportunity to get that trade in anyway. So hopefully we can get it. So you missed that trade then. That trade we had, you went for a haircut and you missed it, did you? It was a good trade to be fair. Really good trade. Tell you what, I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back in a minute, guys. I'm just gonna go get a cuppa. I need a cuppa for this trade. So I'm gonna go get a cuppa. I'll stay on live. I'll just be back in a minute. Bitcoin looking good. No, I haven't really looked at it to be honest, mate. Look, it's all right. We'll see. Like I said, I don't really trade Bitcoin in the weekdays. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute. Right then, what's going on? What's going on? Oh, nice. So we're getting rejected. That's what we want to see. We want to be tagged in first. We want to get tagged in, and then want to break that level. It's looking nice. That is looking nice. What's going on? Who's in here? Drop us a message down below if you want to know got any questions, and I can answer them. Nice. I think by the time we get here as well, if we do come down, by the time we get here, we're going to get a reset on the RSI, which is going to be an extra confluence, and all the EMAs are around that area as well. So we're definitely going to get a reaction off that zone if we come down to it. Come on, gold. US Open in half an hour. We're in game now. Yeah, 4 hour looks good. I haven't looked at the 4 hour, mate. Let me have a look. Yeah, kind of. It's very wicky to the downside, so I suppose it's getting brought up a lot. Let's zoom in on this. I don't know why I go forward to the screen. I didn't just zoom in, you know. Yeah, so we get in. So that's 4 wicks in a row that we. So there's a lot of buying pressure here. There's a lot of buying pressure, um, and it's gonna close in a minute. We just need that extra push. What I don't want is these buyers to fail, and give up, and then you get one big fat red candle to the downside. 1 hour looks good though. 15 looks good. Just need that push down now. Just need that push down. If this plays off, it'd be a mega trade. Are we done for the day? If this hits, because I'm already 380 up, 360 up. So if this hits, I think I'll put a bit more of a bigger lot size on it as well. So I think I'd be like 600-700 quid in profit. So I'll just that'll be me done. Oh, this weather is shit. UK right now is shit weather. Can't even see out my window, it's that foggy. Right, come on. Come on, gold, let's get down. Get down to that price, 44, and get tagged in. Get a nice big trade on live. Did you stay in that trade? Did you stay in that trade before? The one that you were already in. You were going to the barbers. That one. Did you stay in that one? Because it was a mad trade. It like came to the SL, and it was like a half a pip away from the SL. Didn't hit the SL, and then went straight to like basically TP. Um, I got that in the end. So I was expecting a loss off that, but in the end I got like a small win, which bumped it up a little bit. Bumped my wins up a bit. Stayed in. Nice one, mate. Nice one. Parcels running. Yeah, it's always good, mate, just to like that's what I do. Like say if this trade hits now and it comes to around about here, I'll take a little bit out and then it hits the TP. I'll take another like say half out and then let it run then and then bring the SL a bit higher and then when it gets past TP1 and flies, then I'll bring it to break even. This is gonna be a really nice hit if it hits. It's gonna be so good. I can already feel it's gonna be a good trade. Watch it just tank through now. Were you still looking at was it pound card? No, pound yen. I thought you were still looking on that, weren't you? Um yeah, so I was looking for that W reversal, wasn't I? So it didn't play out. Um so yeah, we're breaking to the downside there. We've broke that resistance. To be honest, you could see you can also play this game. See this strategy that I play right now. It also works on any other asset. So you look right now. This is how you would have traded this. You would wait for price to come down, looked at the fair value right there. So there's the fair value gap there. To come for them orders. You've got the order block up above here. So if it does go below, if it does like go above that fair value gap, there's other resistance. And then where was the so the OME zone was there as well. So it's literally hit in between the OME and the fair value and then just got rejected. You could have targeted the low. So it plays out on literally every asset. It's really good. What's gold doing? Still coming down, taking its time. It's good. We want gold to take its time. We don't want a big fat red candle. Like so it's had 3 candles already, so that's good. Let's see if it hits. We're close. We should haven't hit it yet, but we're close. I think my lot size on this is I've gone 0.3, so a bit bigger than normally I do. Come on, gold. You were close, just not close enough. With the pound yen, I'm looking for there's a place to trade yesterday. Not place someone this week unless clear trades. Yeah, man. So what strategy do you use then on the pound yen? I'm interested to know what you use on Forex. Because like I said, I just use the same one across the board, but I just find that with gold it works the best. But you, like I said, you can use that strategy on any asset. Come on, fill this, fill this gap. Don't tease us. I don't want a repeat of yesterday where we like missed the entry by like 2 pips. Missed the entry by 2 pips, and it just fucking went. I was like, good. But it's one of them. It happens all the time. Do us a favour and go like the video for us, guys. Helps a lot. Come on. Come on. You know what this is? This is one of the best jobs in the world. Once you know how to trade, you can sit here making money whilst drinking tea. It's better than working for someone else, isn't it? And I can do it wherever I want, whenever I want. I tried using different strategies, but similar to the gold one. That seems to be doing alright. Nice one. Yeah. Is it like SMC, Smart Money Concepts? Or ICT, is it? I don't really know the difference between both of them. I have a feeling that this is going to go and not going to go without us. I just have a small feeling that it's going to leave us behind. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. That would have been TP right there if it would have tagged us in. Then it's going to go in it. It's going to go without us. Look, I literally just called it. Come on, gold. Come back down. Come tag us in. That would have been TP1, mate. Straight away. It's definitely buying pressure. There's definitely selling a lot of selling pressure on that 56 level. So when it does go past like you said, it's gonna fly as soon as it closes above that. It's gonna fly. It's gonna wipe out all them shorts. Do, 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 do. I have a feeling that this is just gonna it's gonna go without us. But if it does go without us, it should give us another opportunity to get another trade. So, like, say if we make a fair value gap here, there's your order block. So we'll be entering just higher up, really, like kind of like a break and retest, and we'll be getting on the retest, like yesterday. Basically the same as yesterday. We had a break and retest trade, and it was really nice. Just started using smart money, oh, SMT, sorry, break and order blocks. Yeah, yeah, man. Give it a go. See what's going on. It's gonna go without us, isn't it? It's teasing us, teasing us today. That is the problem with the US session. Like, it's faster and it's good to trade, but if if it if it if you're looking to get order filled, it could just miss it and then just shoot off. Happens mostly in the US. It's not over yet. We can still get in. Just a bit of patience. So US session opens in 20 minutes. So that's gonna so obviously they're awake now, so that's why there's more volume come in. But when the market opens, it'll give us more as well then. And after around three, half three, there's normally some really good opportunities around half three-ish. It's taking its time. It's trying to push it. Yeah, it's trying to push it down. Like I said, there's so many sellers. Look how many diamonds got rejected off here. One, two, three, four, five, and now this is the sixth time. So, well, you could say seven times. So it's gonna break. It will break. I'm very tempted to put a trade on long on now, just in case it doesn't fulfill our order, but it's just not the right thing to do. That would be like the beginner me, the old me, like 2 years ago. I would have probably bought in right now and not waited for the entry. FOMO'd in, basically. Would have FOMO'd in. So we'll see. 40, 44, yeah, 44 is our entry. On the 15, what we're doing? 15 looks, so the 15, that's why we had that bounce. That's why we had that push on the 5 minute before, because the 15's filled its fair value gap. So it's had its push. We had the fair value and the order block below on the 15. So in theory, it could go now. It might just ignore the 5 minute one, but we'll see. Like I said, we'll see. Yeah, the old me would have got in. The old me would have got in about 4 times already and probably sold at a loss somehow. But you got to go through them learning stages to become profitable. I'm still in this Bitcoin. I'm in a Bitcoin short, a tiny, tiny, tiny position. Um, it's not even really gonna change anything daily to my daily wins. But I thought I'd give it a shot. So I think so the entry. So the short was here, and the stop loss was at 4885. So one of the lads put it in the Telegram group, and he's targeting all the way down to the 65 mark, I think. 65 mark, around there. So one, yeah, he said 1 to 4.5 bar. That's about right. So we'll see how that plays out. Yeah, it's breaking, isn't it? It's gonna go. The 15-minute has done us dirty there. You're still in. Oh, you're still in the Bitcoin. Yeah, this is gonna rocket in it. There she goes. There she goes without us, look. There she goes without us. Taking up all them shorts. That would have been a great trade. Oh, look at that. Look at that pump. Look at that pump. So it missed our entry by $2.50. Like 20 pips. Wow, look at that go. That's a shame, man, because that would have been a great trade. I would have been that would have been a grand in profit now today for me. Yeah, well, it is what it is. We'll get another opportunity, I'm sure. We'll get another opportunity. Just hit yeah. Oh shit, yeah, Bitcoin just hit SL. I was literally just talking about that, and it's just hit SL. Yeah, yeah, it did indeed. I think I lost. What did I lose on that? For 31. Not bothered about that. I'm more bothered that I missed this beautiful long. That's such a shame. Mm-mm. Well, we'll get another opportunity, I'm sure. We'll get another opportunity. That 15-minute. Beautiful entry, man. It was a beautiful entry. Ooh. Could get rejected by it, actually. So my target was 80. 80. To be fair, but if I was in right now, I would probably have been out because of how big the handle was. You know, candles like that normally retrace at least 50%. So it's a shame, man. That was a shame. So next is what we're gonna look for. We're gonna look for the retest basically. So we are. Let me just update my orders first. So I'm looking now to get in. 560, 561, 561. SL is going to be below this level here. So 45, and then TP is at 80. So 61, 45 SL and 80. Let's see if that hits. Like I said, no rush. No rush at all. There's always another trade. 6-1. Expecting that to make a fair value gap somewhere. So 6-1 my entry. 4-5. Now my TP is going to be at 80. Let's see if we get hit on this one. $5.80. 20. Get ready for the sells. Nah, I ain't selling this market, mate. Can't sell a bullish market. It's just against your favor straight away. Oh, do you mean Bitcoin? Do you mean Bitcoin? Check the 15-minute just in case time. Yeah, My bad, man. 15-minute entry was such a good entry. Literally would have wicked the entry and just gone. It's all good. You can't get them all. You definitely can't get them all. I've had 4 trades today. One was a shit trade. I think it was like literally a small loss of like a tenner. Bitcoin trade, so 5 trades including the Bitcoin one. Bitcoin I lost like 31 quid, and then the other 3 gold trades came in. So I'm still up like 350. So I've hit my goal anyway. So this trade now is just gonna be a bit of a bonus. Gonna be a bit of a bonus trade if we can get it. So there is the gap. Our entry's at 61, right? 61. Let's see if we get hit. Let's see. Have you amended your trade? So 61 we're looking at. 61 to 80. Make sure you check that shit in. Just put that more accurate, shall I? 80. Boom. Come on, gold. Would this be a good if 1 hour closes above 560? So the 1 hour, yeah. Well, to be honest, if we look on the 1 hour, mate, it's filled this fair value here on the 1 hour, but we wouldn't short it because we're in a bullish uptrend, right? So it's gonna be a bit of a sticky one. It depends where this 1 hour closes. If it can close around the 80 mark, then I'd say or above, really bullish, or close to that. And then if it closes maybe somewhere around here, then I don't know if I'm going to trust that or not. Might just call it a day then. If we don't hit this trade, or if we hit this trade and hit SL, then I'm done for the day. It's gonna hit at some point. It's just when. Nice push. Would have nearly hit TP2 if we got in this trade here. It would have been a mega trade, but there'll be one like that tomorrow. There'll be another one tomorrow. If we don't get another trade today, ah well. What's the 15 done? What was that close on the 15 like? Yeah, really nice. Really nice close on the 15. Still waiting for it to come down though. See if it gets reaction off this level here. And then we'll go from there. Just be patient. Just zoom out a bit. See where that level is actually. Yeah, so it is around that 80 mark. If it breaks this and closes above on the 1 hour, then you're laughing. You're gonna fly. Let's see if we can get tapped into this and then go for that 580. So US is open now, remember, as well. So let's see what that does. Because we could just sell into this market now. There's a big drop. So the US is selling off, taking profits. That's all that is. Okay, it's coming down. It's definitely coming down. Not hit our entry yet. Still waiting. It's filling that fair value gap. Okay, is it going to hit our entry? Not yet. 15-minute. It's got 7 minutes left yet. I would not be surprised if it comes down to this level here. '20 EMA is lined up on that line as well, which is nice. Oh, I'm nearly in. I should be in. Okay, yeah, I'm in now. I'm in. I don't really like the big red candles, but we're in, so let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. So a nice reaction off that then. So just in a little bit of profit at the moment. Let's see if we can get a better reaction on the next candle. We've got another minute left yet of this 5-minute candle. So we will see. It's moving fast. It's moving fast. If we can get a nice big buy up now, it'd be pretty nice. Yeah, definitely in profit now. Nice. Nice profit. Okay, I'm gonna take half there. Mhm. Come back down to break even, is it? Yeah, so I took 60 there and left the rest on. See what happens. Should bounce. It might want to touch this area here. It might want to touch this first before it comes back up. Are you in this trade, mate? Yeah? Come on, give us a nice big push up. Give us a nice big push. Yeah, let's test that level now. So we will see if it can bounce off this level, or it could just come back in and hit our SL, right? But hopefully we get a nice reaction here. Hopefully we get a nice reaction. But that's why I took a bit of profits when we pumped up to about 6.5. Because I had a feeling it was going to come back down to here. So I thought I might as well secure some profits there. Just a waiting game. So if I lose this trade, so if I win this trade, I'm going to be in 600 profit for the day. If I lose it, I'm going to be in 240 profit for the day. So either way, I win. How nice, you took profits out. Well, look at it. Luckily, you took profits out right now because you'd be in big drawdown if you're on a big lot size compared to your account, right? But we'll wait out. Let's see what happens. Got another minute and a half till the 5-minute closes. Well, on the 15-minute as well. So it's a 15 and a 5-minute close. So let's have a look at the 15. Yeah, that's nice. It's a shame we missed that entry there because we would have been done for the day. $50 left. Let's see where this 5-minute close is. Be interesting. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see where it closes. I would have thought price is going to come up to this region here anyway. But let's see if it does. It could even stop us out and then come up to that area. But let's see. Let's just wait and see. So you're not still in this trade then, mate? Are you out of it fully? Or do you take partials? I did put it in the Telegram. that I took half. So there's a 5-minute close. It closed on that resistance line, so it's turned it into support. So let's see what happens now. So it's a 15-minute close as well. Right, yeah. SL hit. That was so it's come and filled our last gap. Look at that, it's come and filled our last gap here. Yeah, so that is still a good day overall. Oof, big dump. Yeah, there's nothing really to look at now, to be honest. Still in. Well, you won't be in anymore. You said you're still in, right? You'll be out right now, right? Surely. Hopefully you put SL. So, to be fair, yeah, so that's a nasty come down on the, that's the US opening. So the US are taking profits basically. That's what it's telling me. It swiped the Asia high. So this could come lower now. I don't know. But I think that's me done for the day, I think. Um Still in good profits for the day. Still up 240. So that's not bad at all. 240, I'll take it. But it would have been nice to hit TP then, it would have been up 600, right? Big drop. And that's why you put SLs on. That's a mad drop, you know. Look at that. Took all the buyers out. Wow. Just that 5-minute candle. It just wiped out the whole price action from 12 o'clock, half 12. Yeah. So basically I think what's happened there is, like I said on the 1 hour, so it's filled this gap on the 1 hour. So obviously it's a higher time frame, so it's going to respect the higher time frame fair value gap more, right? So it would have been a good short, but I wouldn't have shorted it because we're in an upward market, right? Unless things change. Tomorrow we could be shorting. I don't know. But earlier today I said I wouldn't be surprised if we get a pull down on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, I wouldn't be surprised if we come down to these levels here to make a higher low, and then blast through this tomorrow maybe, or in Asia. But we'll see what happens. Wow, Bitcoin would have played out right now. So we're in this Bitcoin trade as well. So we got literally stopped out by this much and it's gone our way. Look at that. That's one of them days, right? Oh, that's crazy. That is a crazy dip. We would have got taken out anyway here as well. On both. Tell you what though, I'm glad I took a bit of profits. Right, that's me done, I think, people. I'm gonna go now and chill out. Me done for there. Back tomorrow morning. London session. And then I'll come back US session as well. And hopefully we make some more money tomorrow, right? Hopefully we can.